Welcome back to Mechanical Engineering Design, and in this tutorial we are going to do a Solidworks practice exercise, and I would advise that as you watch, make sure you do it practically. The only way to sharpen your skills in design is to do practical exercise. So these exercises instills more skill as we go from one tutorial to another. So welcome to this episode. Let's get started. So I create new part. We'll do the sketch from front plane, sketch, and we'll start with circle from origin. Sketch two concentric circles like this, then smart dimension. The outer circle is 60 millimeters and the inner circle is 35 millimeters. Go to features and extrude. Extrusion distance is 170 millimeters, and direction we'll select mid plane like this, and then okay. Our next sketch, we'll do it on a new plane, and we'll have to create this plane. So our first reference geometry will be right plane. Distance is 95 millimeters like this. We'll sketch on this plane, draw circle from origin, smart dimension. So this circle will have a diameter of 60 millimeters. And then we go ahead and extrude. So direction, we'll select up to surface and select this surface. Okay. We can hide this plane and sketch on this face. Pick circle again from origin, diameter of 35 millimeters. Go to extrude cut, and this time we'll extrude up to the inner surface, this one. See? And then okay, this is how it will look like. Now we'll create another feature and extrude to this surface. So this time we'll also need another plane. Our first reference is front plane. We give a distance of 37.5 millimeters like this, and then okay. Sketch on this plane, and we'll pick corner rectangle, the first option, from this edge, and then we'll pick center point arc, this one, from the midpoint of this line here. We'll start from this corner, this direction to this corner, like that. Smart dimension, this distance is 20 millimeters, and diameter of this arc is 20, so radius will be 10 millimeters like that. And we'll give a relation to complete our sketch. So from origin, we identify midpoint of this line and give horizontal relation. See, it's fully defined, and we can convert this line to construction geometry. So go to features and extrude, reverse direction, and we'll select this surface, and on contours we'll select the two of them, this one and this one, like that. We hide this plane again and sketch on this face. You see, in this exercise we are utilizing a lot of planes to simplify our process. Now we'll pick circle, just draw it anywhere on this face, and smart dimension. Diameter is 10 millimeters. We can give relations. Just click on this arc, hold on shift, click on circle, and give concentric relations. See, it's fully defined. We go to extrude cut, we select up to surface, and we select this surface. So this hole will be threaded to act as a passage for the fastener to tighten the shaft that will be coming from this side. And we'll do the mirror, but before we go to mirror, we need to also create another feature here, then we can mirror both of them at the same time. So we create another plane. First reference is from front plane, and distance is 50 millimeters this time, like that. And we can sketch. Now we'll pick circle and sketch from here. Go to convert entities and we select the outer circle. We pick line from this origin to this center, like that. Okay. Now we pick line again from outer circle to this circle. Okay. Pick line again from outer circle to outer circle. Don't worry, we'll give relations. Now we begin our smart dimension. We'll do it from origin to this line and rotate like this. It will give you an option of putting an angle. As you can see, the mouse pointer gives me the option to enter angle, and this angle can be decided from either vertical or horizontal direction. So we'll do it from vertical line. You see, like this. This angle is 45, and we can convert to construction geometry like that. Smart dimension, the outer circle as a diameter of 20 millimeters, like that. And this distance, straight distance, this one is 115 millimeters. You see our sketch is fully defined because these lines are tangential to both circles. Now you can click on this plane and hide. We do the last thing, that's trimming excess lines. So ensure you don't trim this line, just trim the axe alone, and you also trim this side. You see, the outline is clear. We go to features and extrude. Now we give blind direction, distance of 10 millimeters, and then reverse like this. There is one slot we'll sketch here before we do the mirror. So draw a circle here and another circle here. Draw a line from this point to this point. We'll also sketch continuous line from this point to origin. Select. Now click on this line and this one and make them collinear like that. Now click on this circle and the outer arc, give concentric relations like that. So the next option is to smart dimension. This diameter is 8 millimeters, and from this center is 50 millimeters like that. Now the next thing is to give relations to these circles, equal relations. See, they are fully defined. Then we can convert these lines to construction geometry like that. Now we do sketch lines, tangential lines to the two circles like that. See, they are fully defined. Now trim this arc and also this side like that, and we go ahead and extrude cut. See, just click OK. Now look, final option is to do the mirror for the two features. So we go to features and select mirror. Our mirror plane will be front plane, and features to mirror will begin with this one, which is this part, and then extrude cut, which is this one. We'll come to both extrude, this feature, and extrude cut, this one, then OK. You see, simple. And that's how we came up with this tutorial. So I hope you have learned some 1 or 2 skills. Make sure you do practice, as practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next tutorial.